2014 Playbook. All right, let's do this and we'll talk about it, right? Box break. Number 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. So we got, they call me Moose would donate. Probably not Pudge, unfortunately. Just because I have such a system down pat for BGS, that adding another one would just be, it would be an absolute nightmare. It cost me so much money just to put that BGS system into place. All right. So this is what we're going to have left. So after this break, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 breaks left out of Playbook. You know, but a Pudge, if it's just one card, man, that's whenever you just bite the bullet and just send it in, you know, for that one card. But I'm glad that you guys use Ultimate Box Breaks to send in like multiple grading submissions as well. It makes it easier for myself to send them in for you guys, and I'm glad you guys like it. So, all right, cool. Here's a nice patch of Odell Beckham. I'm going to those Giants. Bob Grizz, 71. And that is 11 out of 25. And then Mikey Evans going to Tampa Bay is good. Tampa Bay. Stubby 74. There you go. All that information, Steelers, is up on the website, buddy, under graded. Under Get It Graded BGS. Whenever you get logged into your account. So actually, Pudge, I would save you money by sending even more into JSA. But like I said, it's a little bit of work to get them sent in. So, all right. First hit is going to be Dree Archer, and that will be 6 out of 10, so very, very short print. 6 out of 10, Dree Archer. Who's got Pittsburgh? That'd be 8-man AI. And then last but not least, dude, it is Jumbo Jarvis Landry. So Jumbo Jockstrap, he's actually giving the Zoolander look in the picture too. It's Latigra, actually. That's what he's doing there. But Jarvis Landry, Jumbo jersey going to Miami. Welcome to Miami. 50 out of 199. There's got to be some monsters still laying around in Playbook. Woo! So, I think